Hello everyone, myself Naina Thorat from STM College, Karan. Today we are going to discuss input and output devices. Input devices are used for to assign inputs to the computer for the processing, and output devices are used for to show the outputs on a outputs after the processing. Okay, there are a number of input devices are available in a market. In that number of devices, some devices we will discuss now. That first is a keyboard. Keyboard is most popular input device. It's a look like a typewriter. Okay, why? Because of a keyboard. Why we are using a keyboard? Keyboard is a used to assign a data through the text, through the number with the help of typing a keys. On a keyboard, there are a number of keys are available. Some keys are classified in a sub different classes. There are a 102, 104 and 108 like that keys are available on a keyboard. Keyboards are two sizes, 84 keys, 101, 102 keys, but now keyboards with a 104 and 108 keys are also available for a Windows and internet. In that number of keys, there are the some classifications. It will be shown front of you. In that first, alphabet and digit key. The alphabet keys are used for to write a text. For example, A to Z keys. Some number keys or digit keys are available. For writing a numbers like a 101, 102, 3, 4, 5 like etc. Which number keys are 0 to 9. Some numeric keys are available on a keyboard. Numeric keys are 17. Which keys are included in that 17 keys? 0 to 9 plus some symbol keys like a plus symbol key, minus symbol key, multiplication symbol key, like etc. Okay, some functions keys are available on a keyboard at the top of the line. Okay, they are numbered as a F1, F2, F3 and F4. Some control keys are available. Which control keys? Home, end, insert, delete, page, page up, page down, control, etc. What is the purpose of control keys? Using the control keys to control a screen or window with the help of a control keys. For example, using a page up, page down, we can move the cursor pointer from first to second page as well as a bottom page to up page. Some special keys are available on a keyboard like enter, shift, caps lock, num lock, space bar, tab, print screen, etc. That special keys are used for the specified purpose. Like using an enter key, we can move towards the new line. Using a nums lock key, we can on or off the number keypad. Is a scanner. Scanner is an input device which work like a photocopy machine. With the help of scanner, user can scan the image as well as text and store into the secondary storage or in hard disk for the further processing. If the user can scan the photocopy or scan the image and convert into the digit format and store on a hard disk. Next is a MICR. MICR stands on a magnetic ink card banks. As there a large number of checkbooks and checks are processed every day in a banks. The bank's code numbers and check numbers are printed on a check with a special type of a ink that contains the particles of a magnetic material that are used this machine. That machine is a readable. It's called as a magnetic ink card reader. Okay. Next input device is a optical character reader called as a OCR. OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, character by a character, convert them into a machine readable code and store the text on the system memory. Using the OCR input device, it's read the text and convert the machine readable code. It means the 0-1 format in a machine language format and store on a secondary storage area. Okay, next input device is a OMR. Stands on a OMR is called as a optical mark reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by one pen or one pencil. It is used where one out of few alternatives is to be selected and marked. It's look like a printer, but it's work like a pencil and pen. Using the OMR or using the OMR input device, the scanned or recognized data are marked with the help of a OMR input device. Okay, next one is a mouse. Mouse is a most popular and used in a daily life for pointing a content and pointing a text. Mouse also called as it's a one of the pointing device. It's the most popular input device. Using the mouse, user can easily point out or user can easily assign the instruction to the computer. How? See, the first on a mouse provide the three buttons, left button and right button, and mediator it's a scroll bar. Otherwise it's a scroll button. Using the left button, user can clicking or selecting the content. Using a right button, user can open or assign the any other operations which is selected for the right clicking. And using the scroll bar or scroll button, user can move the pages or user can up and down the text, letters, characters or pointer with the help of a mediator button called as a cursor, movable mediator button of a mouse. Mouse also it's a small size which is fixed on a palm. It's a optical sensor at his base and which sends the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to the CPU when the mouse button are pressed. Okay. Next input device is a joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on the monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball. It's both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket and joystick can be moved in all four directions. It's mostly used in online games or video games. Joystick it's a one of the input device. With the help of a joystick, user move the cursor pointer on a screen at any way, up, down, left and right with the help of a joystick input or pointing device. Okay. Next are the output devices. Okay, first of all, what is mean by output devices? Output devices, it means the generated output are shown on a output devices. Which output devices are available in a market? There are the lots of output devices are available. In that lots of output devices, some output devices are included in that lecture, which in that first is a monitor. Monitor is a most of the important and popular output device. With the help of monitor, user can show or user can see the final output on a screen. There are monitor are classified into three classifications that are a CRT monitor, LCD monitor and LED monitor. Monitor is a display unit or screen of the computer. It is the main output device that display the processed data or information as a text, image, audio and video. Okay. With the help of a monitor or with the help of that output device, user can see the output in any form like a audio, video, image and text and number, etc. In that first one is a CRT monitor. CRT monitor display is made up of a small picture element called as a pixel. The smaller pixels, the better the image clarity or resolutions. On a CRT, in a front of you, there are one picture. That picture shows the CRT monitors. Are the old, in a beginning stages, all monitors are look like that. Okay, it's a size is a big and that all pictures are shown on that monitor screen is in a pixel format. If the pixels are spreaded, image are not clear. If the if the pixels are small, the clarity of a image is a properly seen on a monitor. Okay, next one is a LCD monitor. The LCD monitor is a flat panel screen that is compact and high weight as compared to CRT monitor. It is based on the liquid crystal display technology which is used in the screen of a laptop, tablet, smartphones, etc. As compared to the CRT monitor, the LCD monitor screen are a flat and picture quality is a high as compared to CRT monitor. LED monitor takes the few electric power as compared to CRT monitor. Okay, next generation is a LED monitor. There are lots of difference in between the LED and LCD monitor. The LED monitor is an improved version of a LCD monitor. It also has a flat panel display and use liquid crystal display technology like that a LCD monitor. The difference between them lies in the source of a light to backlight the display. The LED monitor has many LED panels and each panel has a several LED backlights the display, whereas the LCD monitor use the cold cathode fluorescence light to the backlight the display. Okay, let's take one example. There are main difference in LCD and LED. LCD takes the major electricity as compared to LED, and clarity and accessibility of LED is a high as compared to the LCD. The text or the clarity of a LED monitors are as compared to CRT and LCD are a high, and money or expenses as compared to the CRT and LCD, LED can compatible and portable for the users. The modern electronic devices, most of the smartphones, LED TVs, laptops, computers are use the LED monitors. Next one is a printer. It's a most of the another one of the output device. Using the printer, user or output of that device shows in a hard format. Okay, printer are again classified into three classification, which is based on a dot matrix printer, laser printer and inkjet printer. Printer is a output device which used to print information on a paper. It means the user can take the output in a hard copy format. On a monitor, you can see in a soft copy format. It means the only you can see it, but with the help of a printer, user can take the hard copy from the printer. Okay. First is a dot matrix printer. With the help of a dot matrix printer, user can use the printout with the help of a pins format. Okay, in a dot matrix printer, there are a number of pins are arranged in a sequential form. On that basis, dot matrix printer can print the scanned image, scanned text or scanned data with the help of a number of pins. Seen that one of the most popular printer is a dot matrix printer. These printer are popular because of their is easy of printing and economical price. Each character printed is in the form of pattern. Dots and heads consist of a matrix of pins. Okay, which comes out to form a character is called dot matrix printer. Okay, next is a laser printer. As compared to the dot matrix printer, laser printer can provide the clarity of an image, clarity of a text. With the help of a dot matrix printer, use the pins and heads. But in a laser printer, there are use the laser lights or laser rays. With the help of that, they can easily generate the hard print on the paper, and you can take the proper and clear image, clear text or hard data. These are non-impact page printer. They use laser lights to produce the dot needs to form a characters to be printed on a page with the help of a laser printer. Next one is a inkjet printer. Inkjet printer are non-impacted character printers based on the relatively new technology. The print character by spraying small drops of thin ink into paper. Inkjet printer produce high quality output with preferred feature of a inkjet printer. With the help of a inkjet printer, user can take the and quality picture with the help of a inkjet printer, as well as you can print the colored format output with the help of a inkjet printer. As compared to dot matrix, inkjet printer can generate or can provide the fast output with the help of that kind of a printer. Thank you.